We handle so many of these ADA accessibility lawsuits for all of our business clients throughout the city. Um, what is the next forefront of these cases? What do you see developing in terms of potential exposure for these types of clients?
Sure. So, one major area that I predict is going to happen, and I know this just thinking about it from my own restaurant, right? You have these roadway dining, these big patios built in otherwise parking spaces. Some people have it where the curb, they just go straight down. The tables are on the actual street. Well, is there a ramp down, right? Can a wheelchair properly access those tables? The rule is you should have any area of the restaurant should be accessible to those with a disability, right? So you have this new area, outdoor dining, that didn't previously exist, should be available to everyone, and that's true. And it doesn't take much, but this is an area where in the panic of trying to survive, build this beautiful patio or not, right? And you haven't accounted for these little details because you're in survival mode. Well, now that things are getting back to normal, that's an area. So if you don't have a ramp going down or a ramp going up, if you've done it, you really need to get one there. And when you do, the issue is moot, right? So even if someone sues you and say, well, you didn't have one a month ago. Well, the value in these cases is all in the attorney's fees of the person who's suing you, right? That's where the money that you ultimately have to pay if you get sued in these cases comes from. So if you get sued and you put it up right away and you fix or remediate the problem, then there's no more attorney's fees to accrue. You've in effect solved it. So solve it, think about it, speak to your architect about it.
And it's important that you go to an attorney or a team of attorneys that, even though this isn't the law yet, or I mean, we could make an argument that it is, but it hasn't come to the forefront with respect to litigation, it's going to go that way.
Yeah.
It's being able to see into the future. And while you were just speaking, it went from being ADA compliant to, well, the ADA ramp that you constructed, was it safe? Was it safe for somebody to go up and down it? And then we spiral into potential personal injury type litigations as well. The point is that there's help on your side as the business owner, and it means speaking to someone who can know, at least to a certain degree, what your future looks like, and that you work with them on a day in, day out basis.
Yep.